back. Continuing with our course, now we're going to do our sixth exercise. In this exercise, we'll work with angles and polar coordinates. So first, let's find out what polar coordinates are in a 2D plane. Basically, a polar coordinate is an axis spinning around a center point that we call a pole. We define the angle by rotating the axis from 0 degrees to 360 degrees around the pole. When it comes to polar coordinates, we need to understand that there are 4 quadrants in a circle, representing 1/4 of the geometry. And rotating our polar axis in the counterclockwise direction will have the first quadrant from 0 to 90 degrees, the second quadrant from 90 degrees to 180 degrees, the third quadrant from 180 degrees to 270 degrees, and the fourth quadrant from 270 degrees to 360 degrees. The same point is 0 degrees. Now, starting our exercise, we'll open the environment New Drawing. Just as always, I'll leave a reference image on the right side of the window. Then we select the command Multiple Lines and start our geometry. We'll draw the first line with the length of 30, and then we'll do our first line using a polar coordinate. In this case, we use the line of 180 degrees as reference and create a line of 60 degrees from it. To do that, we open the parentheses and do the math operation 180 degrees plus 60 degrees and close the parentheses. Then we press OK, and after that we type the line length of 30. For the next line, we'll use the line of 360 degrees as reference and do the math operation 360 minus 60, getting the angle of 300 degrees. Then we type the line length of 30 as well. We'll keep doing these angle operations until we finish half of our star geometry. After drawing all the lines, we click in Finish, and then we give positions and confirm the dimensions. Then, using the command Mirror, we create the other half of the geometry. Now we select the command Profile Operation and select the type as Closed, and in Options we select Offset. Now, using a reference line, we set the distance of 5 for the offset operation. Finishing our drawing, we create a couple more dimensions to set the drawing just like the reference image. Well guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.